Hi, it's Martha Rincón. I have a flourishing business for women called Simplemente Diosas. As you may have guessed by now, I work in Spanish, and the reason I'm sending you this message is because 4 years ago I worked with Esther, and at that time I could hardly afford to pay for her services because my business that existed already 4 years ago was making this €0, almost. I worked so hard. I worked 15 hours a day, even on weekends. I was just living for work and I was feeling so frustrated. And fortunately, one day I got inspired to work with Esther, and from that moment, it was like magic. I wish I had written down how much time it took for things to change for me. But I have the impression that they changed very quickly. And I went from having my YouTube channel that hardly no one watched then to 100,000 followers, which are now 360,000 followers, women from all the countries where Spanish is spoken. And all of this, I really feel that I owe it to Esther and to the magic that she worked on me. Yes, it's me in front of the camera. Yes, it's me doing the work, but I am 100% sure if Esther hadn't worked her magic inside of me, none of the things that I have now would be here. So what did Esther do? I feel that she gave me, yes, some practical tools for working better with my business, but what she really did was to show me where my gold was hiding inside of me. I am a multi-passionate woman. I was doing this and that and the other thing, and nothing was connected, or not very much connected. But Esther showed me that in reality, everything had a connection, and that all those threads were going down to what I call my gold, that gold that I am sure all of you have inside of yourselves, that gold that I was not only not seeing, but I was hiding both from myself and from the world. So she showed me how to find that gold, how to take it out from me, and how to give it to my clients, to my followers. So if you're thinking, doubting whether you should work with her or not, if you are serious about turning yourself, what you can give to the world, into a profitable business, I tell you, do it. Do it. Just go and place yourself into Esther's hands. Let her work her magic on you, so that in a month or in a year, I don't know, you too will have your gold in your hands, so that you too will be able to show it to the world, to feel confident about being yourself and letting your light shine.